The market for single-task kitchen electronics is a graveyard of good intentions, littered with devices that promise convenience but deliver only clutter. Most automatic peelers, in particular, are fundamentally flawed instruments. They trade the tediousness of a paring knife for the unique aggravation of macerating soft fruits into pulp, or they require a setup and cleaning process that consumes any sliver of time you might have saved. They are, in essence, disposable novelties designed for a single impressive use before being relegated to a dark cabinet, their cheap plastic housing a monument to misplaced optimism. This Peel Pro unit, however, shows a flicker of genuine industrial integrity, and it is found in a single critical function: its automatic pulp removal. The true engineering is not in the peeling action itself, but in the one-click pulp sliding mechanism. This is the narrative anchor of the entire design. It demonstrates a core understanding that peeling is a two-part problem: skin removal and then clean product separation. Countless competing devices fail because they only address the first part, leaving you to meticulously pick your valuable peeled fruit out of a wet mess of discarded skins. This machine treats the output as the primary objective. Here is the cold return on investment calculation. Think about the preparation of a grape tart or a batch of peeled cherry tomatoes for a complex sauce. The manual process is a significant tax on your most valuable asset, your time. This machine automates not just the peeling, but the crucial act of sorting. It presents the finished product, clean and separate from the waste, ready for the next stage. Over the course of a single year, for a household that cooks with serious intent or a small commercial kitchen, this device reclaims entire days of low-value, repetitive labor. The cordless rechargeable architecture means this efficiency is not tethered to a single outlet. It becomes a mobile unit of time reclamation. You are not buying a gadget, you are buying back focused, high-value time. The gentle mechanism also protects the flesh, reducing product waste and further improving the yield on your investment. The detachable, dishwasher-safe components are not a bonus. They are a mandatory part of any design that respects the user's total time commitment from start to finish. This is a focus tool built for utility, not for a 30-second video. Up at the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock on Amazon.